Hubei JXBio Pharmaceutical Co., Ltd., founded in Jianing in 2015, as a wholly owned subsidiary of Shenzhen JXBio Technology Co., Ltd., is a national high-tech enterprise and also a production and technology platform capable of large-scale production of chemically synthetic polypeptide APIs. JXBio's 50-acre, $100+ million facility leads in polypeptide API production. Leveraging 15 years of JXBio expertise and innovative R&D with cutting-edge synthesis technology, we specialize in large-scale chemical peptide synthesis. We deliver premium APIs, cosmetic peptides, and contract manufacturing, serving global pharmaceutical markets, research institutions, and providers of biological reagents, veterinary drugs, cosmetics, and food ingredients. The peptide API production lines of JXBio have passed cGMP on-site inspections by the US FDA and China NPA multiple times. JXBio prospectively allocates international cutting-edge production and testing equipment and environmental protection facilities. The 10 production lines can achieve an annual output of 4,000 kilograms, enabling JXBio to be one of the largest polypeptide manufacturers in China. Adopting the lean production approach, JXBio continually saves cost and increases efficiency by improving technology and optimizing core processes so as to enhance its fundamental advantages in production. The production lines are equipped with high-end devices achieving OIB 1 to OIB 5 protection levels according to product properties. In each process, a modular automatic control system is used, and production and testing data are traceable. Automatic production plus closed-loop management greatly guarantees high production efficiency and top product quality. JXBio provides customized R&D and production of polypeptide drugs for many innovative pharmaceutical companies at home and abroad, and has built partnerships with international large customers such as Pfizer, Mist, Fresenius Kabi, and Bimeda. Focusing on customer needs, JXBio offers high-quality products and services. The product lines include semaglutide, tirzepatide, liraglutide, oxytocin, arginine, copper peptides, peptides in food for special medical purpose, etc. With the continuous release of its production capacity and thus its increasing capacity in product supply, JXBio will become a trustworthy supplier of polypeptides for global customers. A company's confidence in and motivation for its development can be boosted by the continual improvement of state-of-the-art equipment and instruments, first-rate production processes, well-established management teams, standardized production, and other capabilities. In addition to international cutting-edge technical equipment and production processes, JXBio provides a highly competitive salary system, fair and transparent promotion policy, harmonious workplace, and comfortable living environment, helping employees to realize their self-worth. JXBio is determined to build a GMP-based industrialization platform with excellent supply performance, thus contributing to the development of the polypeptide API industry.